Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by giving a brief, explicit agenda, 60 to 90 seconds, so students know what comes next. Once done, show the entry task and materials station. This reduces downtime and prevents off-task behavior. Make sure to state 1 to 3 non-negotiable expectations and the consequence ladder. Students follow what is obvious. Say the learning goal aloud and check comprehension with a 10-second thumbs check. These actions start classroom momentum immediately and create space for teaching. Now move into sustained engagement by alternating focused work chunks of 5 to 12 minutes with short 1 to 3 minute processing breaks. This rhythm maintains attention. Use frequent checks, cold call, mini whiteboards, quick polls to confirm understanding and nudge participation. Make sure to differentiate. Offer scaffolded steps, challenge prompts, and a choice board so students can work at entry or stretch levels. Transition cues, like a bell or countdown, keep momentum and reduce friction when shifting activities. Finish with a 3 to 5 minute synthesis. Ask students to state the main idea and one application, then assign a clear next step. Once done, gather quick evidence, a one-sentence exit slip or a rubric tick, so you know who needs reteaching. If engagement drops, reset routines immediately, reteach expectations and simplify or rechunk the task. Make sure to follow up with targeted small group support the next session. This closes the loop and preserves learning gains.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.